Notice REGTRANS-MS files in your Windows system folders and wondering what they do? These are critical Windows registry transaction logs that should generally be left alone. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these registry transaction log files are. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the REGTRANS-MS file. I'll reveal it at the end. REGTRANS-MS files are Windows registry transaction log files used by the common log file system CLFS to ensure registry integrity. They record pending registry changes, enabling rollback. If write operations fail, preventing registry corruption during system crashes, power failures, or unexpected shutdowns on Windows systems. REGTRANS-MS files use the common log file system binary format, storing transaction log records for registry hive modifications. The structure contains transaction headers, operation sequences, and rollback data following Microsoft's CLFS specification, enabling atomic registry updates and crash recovery functionality. The standard opener for REGTRANS-MS is known to be Windows System developed by Microsoft. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows masks internal elements to keep the system functioning reliably. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your REGTRANS-MS file and choose Open With. Test Windows System first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If the REGTRANS-MS file won't budge, stay calm. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, understanding the files. REGTRANS-MS files are not meant to be opened by users. They are system-managed files used internally by Windows for registry transaction logging. Located in C++, Windows/System32+/config, and user profile registry folders, these files automatically manage themselves as part of normal Windows operation. Next, avoiding modification. Do not delete, edit, or modify REGTRANS-MS files, as this can cause registry corruption and system instability. Windows automatically creates, removes, and updates these transaction logs as needed. Antivirus and disk cleanup tools should be configured to skip these system-protected files during scans. Finally, examining with tools. For forensic or troubleshooting purposes, use specialized tools like Registry Explorer by Eric Zimmerman or Microsoft's RegF parsing libraries to examine REGTRANS-MS contents. These tools require administrator access and offline analysis since the files are locked while Windows is running normally. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.